A devastating fire at a multi-story restaurant in Delhi's Malviya Nagar claimed 21 lives on Wednesday. Among the victims, 17 foreign nationals, Delhi police confirmed. The blaze broke out at a Lemon Green restaurant during the morning hours. Emergency services rushed to the spot after receiving information about the fire. According to officials, a large-scale rescue operation was launched immediately. Firefighters, police personnel, and disaster response teams worked for several hours to evacuate people trapped inside the building. Subdivisional Magistrate Jitendra Kumar said the search and rescue operation was completed. He said a total of 47 people were rescued from the building. Out of them, 21 people lost their lives, while 26 others are undergoing treatment at different hospitals. Delhi police said that 17 of those killed were foreign nationals. Most of them were citizens of Liberia, Nigeria, Mozambique, and Bangladesh. Authorities are working to establish the identities of all victims and inform their families. The injured were rushed to nearby hospital. The All India Institute of Medical Science, Delhi, received 13 patients. According to AIIMS, 3 of the injured suffered fractures and other injuries after jumping from the building to escape the flames. The hospital also said that 10 Delhi police personnel were among those admitted. They were injured while entering the burning building to rescue trapped people. 3 bodies were shifted to burns and plastic surgery department for further procedures. Officials said the condition of some injured persons remains serious. Doctors are providing intensive medical care. The exact cause of the fire is yet to be determined. Fire department officials and forensic teams have begun an investigation into the incident. The tragedy triggered reactions from political leaders across the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed grief over the loss of lives. He announced an ex gratia payments of 2 lakh rupee for the families of each deceased victim. Indian Home Minister Amit Shah said he was deeply saddened by the incident. He extended the condolence to the families of the victims and wished a speedy recovery to the injured. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi described the incident as extremely heartbreaking. He urged Congress workers to assist in relief and rescue efforts wherever possible. UP convener Arvind Kejriwal also expressed sorrow over the loss of lives. He said repeated fire incidents in Delhi are a matter of serious concern and called for stronger safety measures. The tragic fire has once again raised questions about fire safety compliance in commercial establishments across the national capital. Authorities have assured a thorough investigation action will be taken if any negligence is found. Meanwhile, families of the victims continue to wait for answers as the city mourns one of its deadliest fire tragedies in recent years. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.